Hey, Dream Chaser? Before 2026 arrives, imagine this. You're earning real income online, not by luck, but by using the same AI tools billion-dollar startups are built on. No complicated coding, no big investments, just your phone, your ideas, and these three powerful AIs. So today, I'll show you how people are already earning money using Copy.ai, Pictory.ai, and ChatGPT, and how you can start too, even if you're starting from zero. Part 1. Copy.ai. Let's begin with Copy.ai, your personal content machine. Think of it like a mini marketing team that never sleeps. You give it a few words, it gives you social media posts, ad copies, product descriptions, all ready to use. People are earning by selling these services on Fiverr, Upwork, and Instagram pages. You could write product descriptions for online stores or captions for influencers, and let Copy.ai do 90% of the writing. One creator I know made his first $100 in a week just by writing captions for small business pages. All he did was combine Copy.ai with Canva and a few smart hashtags. Part 2. Pictory.ai. Pictory.ai, the video wizard. This tool turns text or scripts into professional videos automatically. You can use it to create faceless YouTube videos, reels, or explainer videos. No editing skills needed. Many creators use it to convert blog posts or articles into videos and then monetize through YouTube Shorts or affiliate links. If you've got a story, Pictory makes it visual. It selects stock clips, adds subtitles, and music automatically. Your job? Just upload your text and review the output. That's it. A full video made by AI in minutes. Part 3. ChatGPT, 231 to 345. And now the most powerful one, ChatGPT. This is more than a chatbot. It's your 24/7 business. Generate scripts like this one, or even brainstorm startup ideas. Freelancers use ChatGPT to automate writing gigs. Coaches use it to create lesson plans, and creators use it to generate daily content ideas. And here's the secret. Combine ChatGPT with Copy.ai or Pictory.ai and you get a complete money-making system. ChatGPT gives you the ideas and outlines. Copy.ai writes the content, and Pictory turns it into a video. So here's my challenge to you. Don't wait for 2026 to get started. Pick 1A. iTool today. Learn it, use it, and learn. It's already here. And the people who use AI early won't just earn more, they'll own the next wave of opportunities. So hit that subscribe if you want more AI money ideas like this. And remember, your success story might just start with a single click. Outro music swells, fade out logo, rocket in pocket.